Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome to Sufa English High School. In this video we will learn about adjective. The four word of adjective is very important for understanding. The first word of adjective is each, and second every, and third some, and fourth any. Most of the student confused when they see each and every, when we should be use each and when we should be use every. What is the correct place and what is the criteria for using each and every in our sentences? So boys and girls, let's learn each and every, how to use in sentences and how we will get good mark in examination. So let's start to learn it. First, I am going to tell you about each. What is each and how we can use each in our sentences. First, the definition you can see on the board. First, when the number in the group is limited and definite, means we can easily define the group and we can easily count. Means there is limited person and limited things. We can easily use their each. Okay. For example, in the class there are 10 students. Okay, 10 students. I define here 10 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, not beyond the 10 students. So here I mention only 10 students. So some chocolate, I have some chocolates and I would like to distribute this chocolate to the student. So how can I use here each? I will say each student should be take only one chocolate. Each student, I use here each. Why? Because I know there are only 10 students in the class, so I use here each. Each student take only one chocolate. Okay, and there was a group. Okay, but you can easily count the member of the group. You will say each member should be come one by one. Each member should be come in the home one by one. So here I say each. Why I use here each? Because I know there was only limited people, limited things, so we can use each easily. Okay, and second, every. How we can use every? So let us start to learn it. Every, when the number in the group is unlimited and indefinite, means there was lot of people, lot of things which we cannot be count easily. Okay, means unlimited. So there we will use only every. Means in theater there was a lot of chairs, so we can, it is not easy for us to count the chairs one by one. So we will say only every chairs are booked. Every chair. I am not saying each chair are booked. No, it is a wrong concept. So when the thing are unlimited and indefinite, we will use there every. Every chair are booked. Every student should be come on the day of flag. So here I use every. When we will use every? When the number are unlimited. When it is not possible to count it, we will use there every. Okay, I hope do you understand between the different each and every. Okay, and third, some. How we can use some in our sentence? So let's see the definition of some. Some is used to express quantity or degree in affirmative sentence. We all know that there are two types of sentence: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay, and also many types of sentences, we all know that, but we will learn here some. Some is used to express quantity. Whenever you want to be sure the quantity, okay, you have something, you have for example pens. Okay, you have pen, you will say that I have lot of pen, I have some pen. Okay, for showing quantity, if you want to show quantity and degree, you will use there some. And the most important thing is that we will use some only in affirmative sentence. Okay, in affirmative sentence, remember boys and girls. For example, I have some watermelon in my box. So this is a affirmative sentence and I use here some before quantity. Okay, watermelon, I would like to be sure the quantity of watermelon, so I use here some before watermelon. Okay, this is a affirmative sentence. And second, any is used to express quantity some and any both are used for showing quantity, but there is a difference between both words. Any is used to express quantity or degree in negative or interrogative sentence. Remember, boys and girls, in negative and interrogative sentence, whenever you can see negative and interrogative sentence, you will use there only any. For what? For showing quantity of thing, okay, and anything. For example, do you have any watermelon in your box? So here I also use any. Okay, do you have? Do is a helping verb I use at the beginning, so it is of a interrogative sentence. Okay, in negative sentence I can also use any. In negative sentence and in interrogative sentence we can use easily any and some. I hope do you understand why we can use some and any. It is very easy. We can use some for showing quantity and also we can use any for showing quantity. Okay, but the uses of both is different in sentences. For example, some used for showing quantity but in positive manner, okay, means in affirmative sentences, and any can be used in negative and interrogative sentences, okay, for showing quantity. I hope, boys and girls, do you understand this topic? In this topic, if you have any problem, I will clear your concept in next video. Yeah, then, Assalamu alaikum.